Hello everyone and welcome back to I Love EditorX. Today I want to show you how to create page background. As you can see, when I scroll the page, it looks like I have a background to the page. This is really simple to do with no code, and the process is very short. Alright, so let's jump to the editor. So I have a really simple website. I have the hero section, header, a few sections with images just so we have scrolled, so we can see that we are scrolling, and a footer. Alright, so first of all, we need to create a new section, and this section will hold our background image to the page itself. Alright, so I will set it to be 100%. 100, and I will dock it to the top and to the left, and I will set it to 100 VH, which is 100% from the screen height. I will change my image. By the way, you can use any height that you want, but I want the feeling of a full page. Alright, so we have a section and we have a background image. I will rename the section so we know where exactly he is located. So I will call it page background section. Alright, so this is our section, and the first thing I need to do, I need to move it on top of the headers to be the first section in the site. But this is really important. If your header is set to be fixed, pinned, the name is changed from fixed to pinned. So if it's set to pinned, so you can see that when I select the second section and try to move it up, I cannot do it because pin position is always on top of everything. So instead of pinned, you can use sticky, okay? But for now, I will keep it for default. So let's select our page background section and move it up. Alright, the second thing I want to do, I will set it to be sticky. Alright, so now if I preview the site, when I scroll the site, you can see the site is scrolling, but I see nothing because this section is sticky. Alright, the second thing I need to do is very simple. I need to set it to 0 pixel height. Alright, but still we don't see the site itself. So the second thing I need to do, and this is look, I have 0% here, but in the layers panel when I want to do some action on this section, I cannot do it because I need to have some height to a section. So I will set it to be 1 pixel, and now I can send it to back. Okay, so now it's behind everything, and it's 1 pixel. Now I can move it back to be 0. Right, so if I preview the site, so that's it. You have a background to your page. So this is the way to do it. Really simple. But the more cool thing about it is that you don't need to actually do it for each page. If you want this background to apply across all sites, all you need to do, I will set it just for now for 1 pixel so I can do some action on the section, and I will set it to be master, set as master. Alright, I will set it to master section, and it's happened, but it's go up, so I will send it to back again. Alright, so all I need to do that, if let's create another page and this page is empty, all I need to do that I need to go to the master page and choose the section, choose the master section that we just created, and click show on, and I can select the current page also to apply here. And any action that any editing that I will add to this section, it will apply across all sites, all the sites. So if I will set this section as 2000 pixels, and I will add some something so you can see what's happening. So you can see that it's, wait, maybe it's not sticky. Yeah, it's not sticky. So let's set it to be sticky. I set it to back. But as you can see, I have the image also here, and if I go to the home page, I have it also here. All right, so this is this is really easy to use, and the more cool thing about it, that if it's section, you can actually put anything you want inside of it, right? So if I want to add something to this section, I will set its height to be, let's say, 500 pixels. So now I can put stuff inside. So for this example, I can put a video in it. I will stretch it, but it will be a 100 view height because of my image. So better practice is to do it also 100 VH. So let's change the video to something that, I don't know, let's say it's skate, because this is the theme of the site. So I will select this one. Let's add some I don't know, pattern, this one, and now I can change back the height to be 0, and I have a video background to the page. And if you want to play a bit with because you cannot change background to video, so again I will set some height to my sticky section. I will add a background, I will stretch it, and now I can play with the opacity and, you know, get like more light video. And again, I will set the section height to be 0, and we have a video background with some overlay color. And if I will go to the new page that I create, I have same video with same behavior because this is master section. Cool, right? So I told you that you cannot set your header to be pinned because it's not the first, but you can use sticky. So it's still, when you scroll, the header will come with you. So this is the way to overcome this limitation. So we saw a video, we saw how to add background image, but you can use actually anything. So for example, I don't know, let's use some typography to make it beautiful. So let's say I want to display here, I don't know, right, 24 skaters. I want this sentence to go with me across all sites, right? So I will put it, as you can see, it's inside our sticky section, and I will set it to be 100% and make it 90, maybe 100 pixels. All right, but now I won't set the section to be 0. I will set it to be, let's say, 100 pixels, maybe a bit more, 130 pixels. All right, so it's something like this. And all right, let's see what's happening. So I preview the site, and you can see I have this 24 here. I have it. So when I start to scroll, it's overlap everything. It's not overlap actually, but you don't see the difference. So I can add background color to the header. Let's say same or off color, something like this, and now you can see that it goes behind everything. Why the header didn't get the color? Alright, so it go behind it and it's come back and it's scroll with me across all sides. Cool, right? So I want to show you another thing. I will delete this one and I will remove this overlay color. And now I want to show you, actually I like the typography, but let's keep, I won't do it again. Alright, so let's make it back to 0. So it's look like this. So right now we don't see the video, so let's remove the background colors from the header and from the first section. And let's say that I want here that not to see the video. So it's really simple, and all I need to do, I need to add background color to the section, because remember that this section, the sticky section, is behind everything. So if I'll preview the site, you can see I see the video, I see it. But here this section has a background, white background, solid background. So this is why we don't see the behind section. That's it, I guess. As I promised, it's really simple to do. Enjoy. I hope, let me know if you actually create something interesting with it. I think you can do amazing stuff with it. You can even put a repeater in it. You can put, I don't know, rotate stuff with the velo, and you know, it's all you need is a bit of creativity. So next video I will show you how to create this grainy texture. As you can see, this is, I saw it in a couple of places in the website, that you have like this retro film behavior. Actually this is based on the sticky background, the page background, and it's also really easy to do, but I will create a different tutorial about it. So till next time, keep building amazing sites on EditorX.